Hi kindergarten friends, it's time for math and I'm going to show you some cards and we're going to write the amount on the board. So I want you to pause this video and go and get a piece of paper and a pencil. Or if you have a dry erase marker and a dry erase board, you can get that as well. Okay, so now that you have your writing materials, let's get started. I'm going to flash you a card and you're going to tell me how many I showed you and then took away. And write that number on your paper or your dry erase board. And then I'm going to show it on the board and write the number. If you were correct, you can leave your amount, or if you did not get it correct, you can erase it and write the right amount. If you did not get it right, that's okay, because we are just learning this. Okay, so we're just practicing. All right, here we go. Here's our first one. Now remember, this is a mix of 10 frames, 5 frames, just amounts just on plain paper, finger amounts and dice amounts. Okay, so are we ready? Here's our first one. How many? Write it on your paper or dry erase board. All right. How many is on that 10 frame? None. What? Where did my dry erase marker go? Miss Beach, I lost it. How many, or what number rather, represents none? That's right, the number 0. So I'm going to write the number 0. If you didn't write that number on your dry erase board or your piece of paper, that's okay. Just go ahead and write it now. Good job. All right, I'm going to take my eraser and erase it. All right, good job, friends. I'm so proud of you. All right, here's our next number. Are you ready? Write how many dots you saw. All right, here we go. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to write the number 3. If you didn't write this on your paper or your dry erase board, go ahead and write it now. Good job, kindergarten friends. Okay, I'm going to erase it and take this down. Now remember, we can show 5 frames and 10 frames this way or this way. All right, here's our next one. Are we ready? Go ahead and write how many fingers you saw. All right, here we go. Okay, let's count them together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's write the number 3. If you didn't write that number, go ahead and write it now. Great job, kindergarten friends. Okay, here's our next one. Write how many dots you saw. Right, here we go. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you didn't write the number 5 on your paper, go ahead and write it now. Great job, kindergarten friends. Miss BJ is so proud of all of you. You're doing great. Here's our next one. Are you ready? Write how many dots you saw. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. If you didn't write a number 3 on your paper, go ahead and write it now. Great job, kindergarten friends. Remember, if you need a little extra time and Miss BJ's going too fast for you, you can always pause the video. All right, here's our next one. Are you ready? Write how many dots you saw. All right. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 and 5 make 7. If you didn't write a 7 on your paper, go ahead and write it now. Great job, kindergarten friends. All right, here's our last one for today. Are you ready? How many dots did you see? Write it on your paper. Okay. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you didn't write this amount on your paper, go ahead and do it now. Great job, kindergarten friends. Miss BJ is so proud of all of you, and I love you all. Great job today. Bye.